Here we're at a customer's house cleaning out the dryer vent. After we got done vacuuming out the line, we noticed there was still kind of a clog at the top that we had to go out on top of the roof and bust out by hand. If your dryer is giving you problems, you can give us a call at 512-810-9840 or visit us at monarchsolutionstx.com.